Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about MaxTrac's 4.5-inch lift kit for the 2009 to 2017 Ram 1500 with two-wheel drive and a 5.7-liter V8 engine. Now this kit is going to be a complete front and rear kit that is designed to upgrade your factory suspension components while maintaining a factory-like ride quality and turning radius. The front kit is going to consist of new ductile iron lift spindles, which are going to lower your wheel hub position, which in turn is going to raise the vehicle up. You're also going to get new DOT-compliant brake lines that are made of braided stainless steel. The rear kit is going to consist of coil springs, sway bar and track bar relocation brackets, and your choice of Fox or MaxTrac shocks. It's also going to come with all the hardware necessary to complete this installation on your truck. Now this is going to be a moderately difficult installation, but it is completely bolt-on and can be done in about a day. And with this lift kit, MaxTrac says you can fit up to a 35-inch tire with the correct offset and back spacing. So just make sure you double check that before you purchase your wheels and tires. Now all of MaxTrac's lifts are made right here in the USA and come with a limited lifetime warranty. We also ship them for free to anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.